Hey guys, this is Roto, and today I will show you guys how I fix my foam cannon. You'll remember in one of my previous videos that it wasn't foaming at all, right? And so the first thing that I thought was maybe I should replace the agitator. So I bought a couple, right? Here, I'll show it in the other camera, right? And this came from China. And I would suspect that this would still work, but I kind of like butchered it. You can see here, let me put this down and show you in the other camera too, right? See how I messed up the shape? That's because I was pounding it because it wasn't a good fit, and so that's what it looks like now. And so I thought, I was like, hey, you know what? I'm actually going to buy from MTM. So I actually bought a pair, right? So this is from MTN, and you can see how densely packed it is compared to the one that came from China, right? So I mean, if it's a lot more densely packed, I would think that it's going to agitate a lot more. But it turns out I don't need that, because one of my subscribers left a comment and he said that he did the same thing that I did, which is replace the agitator, but then, you know, for some odd reason, I didn't thought of poking the holes, like the small holes here in my foam cannon. So I actually borrowed like a pin from my wife, and I actually tried to poke the hole inside of that one, and then it worked. So I'm like, what? So let me turn off my camera right now. It's almost out of battery. Let me just turn it off. And you know, I'm still using the old one, right? This is the new one from MTN, and this is the one bought from China. I took them out because they're not an exact fit, right? And so all I did was just poke that hole, and I will show you how much foam I'm making right now. So still the old soap. I haven't changed anything at all. Let me just tighten this one out. All right, so I was cleaning my car. You can see I already tested it out there, but all right, I'll show you guys how much foam this makes. See? So that's how much foam I'm making now, just like the day that I bought it. See that? Shaving cream, almost. But I don't want it to be like actual shaving cream that it doesn't like flow really well anymore. I think this is the perfect amount of foam. So that's it. poke your foam cannon first before you try and change all the internal stuff. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.